The United States is reportedly considering a $100,000 fee for international students seeking to work in the country after graduating from American universities. According to a Wall Street Journal report, the proposed charge would apply to the optional practical training program, which allows international students on F-1 visas to work in the US for 1 to 3 years in jobs related to their field of study. The proposal comes after a US court struck down an earlier plan to impose a $100,000 fee on H-1B visas. Authorities are now said to be exploring the OPT route instead. The report noted that nearly 4.19 lakh foreign graduates were working under the OPT program in 2024. The program is considered a major reason why many international students choose to study in the US, as it provides valuable work experience after graduation. Without OPT, most foreign students would have to leave the US immediately after completing their studies, taking their skills to other countries. The report also said that US authorities are considering imposing a $100,000 bond on certain green card applications applying from outside the US. However, no final decision has been announced.